Smart. They're really bad. All right, another day, another ride. So I'm heading out to a different motocross track today. Still pretty local, probably about 20 minutes from my house. It's called Copperhead. From what I've heard, it's bigger than the other place I went, but it's also more beginner friendly, which, beginner. I'm about 10 minutes away now. Should be a good time. A buddy of mine rode there and said it had some pretty good sized jumps and some less technical turns than the last place, so hopefully there'll be some good footage to got. Last time I went riding, I ate way too big of a lunch beforehand, and I was not feeling great afterwards. This time I have not eaten lunch yet, and I'm gonna eat lunch after. Smart. The journey continues on the Honda. Should be a good time. I'm excited to try a new track. Hopefully this place will be one of my go-to places because it's a little bit cheaper than the other place, and supposedly it's better maintained and yeah, like I said, a lot bigger. So we'll see how it goes.
my God.